Hello traders, welcome back. This is day 6 of my 1 minute pocket option challenge. I started this challenge with $100 and as of today, the account stands at $164. In this session, I will be trading live using my 1 minute strategies and I will explain every setup, confirmation and mistake so you can understand the logic and apply it correctly. Let's go. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Currently, I'm watching odd cat chart and I have a trade opportunity. Let me first mark the zone that I'm going to use for a trade. So I'm marking a resistance zone which I'm interested in using for a reversal trade. Price, if you focus on this price action, it's a downtrend price action. And right now the price is retracing back in the upside direction. I have high expectation that after hitting this particular zone, this resistance zone, the price will reverse for 1 minute. So I'm waiting for the price to go up and hit this level. If price after hitting this zone does not give reversal pattern, then I have another zone which is here. So let's mark this zone as well. So this is another zone. Let me change the color. So this is the zone that is also available for a reversal trade, but I have high expectation that price will reverse from this zone. So let's see, let's wait for the price to go up and hit this zone now. Price hit the zone. Now I am opening the 5-second chart for a bearish reversal pattern. Right now, as you can see that there is no strong bearish reversal pattern till now, and the buyers are still pushing, which means that buyers are not weak here. We need weakness in buying and then strong selling candle so that we know that yes, the sellers are now interested in reversing the price. Right now you can see that price is still pushing in the upside direction. The candle closing is not great. I still believe that we need even stronger confirmation, then only I will be able to place my trade. Okay, let's remove these levels. Price is approaching towards the boundary. And now let's focus here. I can see weakness, initial rejection from the sellers, which is a good sign, but no strong candle till now. Price failing to create new high. Yes, this is a confirmation. I have placed the first trade of this session in the downward direction. Let me explain you this setup. So I was waiting for this opportunity for a very long time. I have analyzed so many charts, but no opportunities as of today. I'm not able to find a particular good opportunity. So the reason why I wanted to use this zone for a reversal trade because it's the recent resistance. If you focus on the price action here, it's a downtrend market, and in this downtrend, this is the recent resistance zone here, and I'm interested in using this zone for a reversal trade because the recent support or the resistance are very good in holding the price and reversing it. In this case, price reverses in the downward direction. This was a downtrend market. This was the retracement. And for me, this was the recent resistance level. But because price does not give any strong confirmation, I was also hoping that maybe because of these long wick, we have the majority of selling at this zone. So I was also interested in using this zone. Price from this zone does not give a solid reversal pattern, but when price hit this particular zone, this is the recent resistance also. If you just include the wick size, you will understand that this whole zone is a selling zone. when price hit this zone on 5-second chart, you can see that the buyers pushes the price up to this level and then they failed to break in. They got instantly rejected. No buying activity here, no buying activity here. Buyers again tried, failed to go inside. Again, no buying activity, and suddenly we have the strong bearish candle. And if you compare these three candles, you will find a bearish reversal pattern. That is a sign that price will reverse in the downward direction, because the buyers are dead and sellers are taking control on this selling zone, on this resistance zone where the trend is also downtrend. And that's the reason I took this trade. Now let's try to find other trading setup. I have waited for so long because today the price action is completely different. I have analyzed around 10 charts and I'm analyzing for the last 90-100 minutes, but no proper opportunities I can find, but except this one. So we have taken the first trade of today's session. Let's try to find one more trading opportunity and then we will end this session, because I think today's market is a little bit dangerous. So it's better if I keep my money management in control and the risk as well. So let's wait now. Currently I'm watching Euro US dollar chart and I have a trade opportunity. Let me first mark the zone which I'm interested in using for my trade. So here we have a major support level. If I zoom out the chart, you will see that it has a long history of working at a support level. The price might break this zone, but according to me right now, the chances of 1 minute reversal are high if price hit this zone. So I have high expectation that after hitting this zone, the price will give me a good reversal pattern from this zone. Secondly, I have another zone which I want to use. So we have this recent resistance also. So if price goes up and at this zone, I'll go for a trade in the downward direction. So all in all, I have two trading opportunity, one from the recent resistance and second from the major support level. Let's wait for the price to hit either of those levels. Price is very near to the support zone. I am opening the 5-second chart so that I can place my trade instantly as soon as I have strong bullish confirmation. I need the price to go inside this zone and then form a strong bullish reversal pattern. Price hitting the boundary. Let's wait. I can see the rejection, which is a good sign. I need bullish reversal pattern here. And yes, that's the confirmation. I have placed the second trade of today's session in the upside direction. Reason: on 1 minute time frame, we have a major support level. It's a good visible support level which can reverse the price. Second reason from placing the trade: as the price is falling, retracement is required in such cases. When price hit the support level, the price hit the boundary and instantly formed this bullish reversal pattern. If you focus on these three candles, they are strong bullish reversal pattern, and that's the reason I placed this trade. Although my entry level is wrong here. My entry needs to be at this level and not here. So maybe, okay, so price is going down and last 1 second are remaining and we have lost this trade by a very small margin, and the very next candle it goes up very strongly. So maybe we lost this trade because the entry part was not correct. Although the price does reverse on 1 minute chart, we have a bullish candle here. So all in all, we lost this trade because our entry and the expiry doesn't match. But the analysis was that price will give us a 1 minute reversal trade. Same thing happened. Price did give us a reversal pattern here, but we lost it because our entry was not correct. Let's try to take one more trade and then we will end this session. Currently we are in loss because we have taken two trades and the second trade was in loss. Currently, I'm watching British Pound CAD chart and I have a trade opportunity here. I can see that price is low volume and it is moving in a range. So I want to use the support range to place a reversal trade. I can see multiple rejection, which means we can expect a 1 minute reversal if price hit this zone. So let's wait for the price to fall. Once price reach this zone, I will look for a bullish reversal confirmation and will place my trade in the upside direction. Let's wait now. Price goes inside the zone. Let's open the 5-second chart for confirmation. And yes, we have the confirmation, instant confirmation as soon as price hit the zone. Let's understand this setup first of all. So I'm basically using the support range of the price here. It's a clearly visible support zone. It's a clearly visible buying zone here. And the reason why I'm expecting a reversal, because in a ranging market, when the volume is less, price usually respect the support and the resistance range. This is a clearly visible support range of the price, in which price was going down and it was about to hit this support zone. I waited for the price to go down. In the meantime, you can see multiple rejections were there from the buyers that yes, they want to push the price in the upside direction. So this was the first case that price was about to hit the buying zone, the support level. And on the 5-second chart, when price approaches this zone, you can see as soon as it hit the zone, it instantly gave a strong bullish reversal pattern. Now this was a confirmation that price will go up because the buyers are taking control. The reversal pattern formation took place when price hit the buying zone. This was a ranging market, a kind of low volume market. You can see so many wick rejection. It's a low volume market. So the low volume market, when it is ranging, usually respect the support range as well as the resistance range. I use the support range. Price hit the zone, formed a strong reversal pattern instantly, and that's the reason I placed this trade. So that is it. Today I have taken 3 trades only, and if you just focus on the time, you will see that today I have spent over 6 hours to execute these 3 trades. This is pure patience and hard work. You can't wait that long for these 3 trades only because it requires lots of patience. So my only advice to traders is always have patience, because I have to wait patiently. I have to analyze several times before taking these trades, and it was worth waiting. Initially, the first trade was a profit. The second trade loss was up by a small margin, but it was a loss. So I have to take one more trade, and I took that trade after, you can see, waiting for around 130 minutes approx, according to me. So this is the level of patience that you need to have in order to trade in such market, because sometimes the price will not respect your zone, sometimes the confirmations will not come. So with this note, I'm ending this session. I hope you learned something from these 3 trades. See you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.